Sometimes we hear interest rate is going to go up. That doesn't make sense for a refinance. However, number one, how long are you going to be in that home? Let's just say 10 years most, okay? You're paying mortgage insurance in your monthly payment. So that 2.6 interest rate you got was probably an FHA loan. That mortgage insurance is never going to go away. Even if you didn't have 20% right now and you could refinance over into a conventional loan and get where the rates are right now, even like at 3.6, you have the ability to eventually down the line just get rid of the mortgage insurance without having to refinance when the interest rates are potentially higher. The other thing is, even though the rate is higher, I want you to break down the payment and see what's the difference in what the principal and interest is going to be. Let's just say that the principal and interest on your 2.6, the mortgage before refinancing, it's a 2.6 30-year fixed, but you pay, let's say, $300 in mortgage insurance monthly. It's almost like a percentage figure that you almost have to add to your interest rate and average, in order to kind of really figure out what your total conceptualized, interest rate really is. You moving over to a higher rate, however, more of your payment going towards principal, more in your pocket, that's a better alternative. So people, sometimes they go, I don't, unless I'm going to save a half a point or a point, it doesn't make sense. Well, there's lots of reasons why you would refinance. And sometimes it makes sense to take some of the equity and instead of making your $550 car payment every month, if you could get rid of the loan, get rid of mortgage insurance, refinance your mortgage, pay off your car, save yourself, $600 a month, tack on a $600 onto your extra payment that you were making for the car. You're going to pay off that house so much faster. That's a better route to go than to be paying an individual car and an individual mortgage. I'm sorry, it's true. There's a lot of fun like you could do with some cash out refis, how to maximize the money in your house.